Got a few nice things down this block. A Woody and Avanti. Avanti. I grew up with a guy, not who hit, I mean there was one around the corner from us. Avanti, this is called. Oh, Studebaker, I'm sorry.
Studebaker, yeah, but the model was Avanti, I believe.
Really?
I think the model was called Avanti.
This is gorgeous.
Dash.
Avanti?
Yeah. Holy shit, it has a supercharger too. That's the Paxton.
Paxton Supercharger.
They had that back in like the 50s too. Well, it's probably like, this might be.
These go back to me being a kid. They're Avanti, that's all I used to see.
No, they made these like the late 50s, I think. These came out.
Wow.
Now, weird ass looking car at the time, but cool has a blower on it for like 2 years.
The interior is just beautiful.
Supercharged. This is what I want. This is factory. This is the way it came from the factory. I got in Ohio 10 years ago to be
I
painted.
got a little mirror down low, that's funny.
Yeah.
Well, it's sagging.
Is
Is this the original?
This
This is the original color it came with? Yes. Yeah. Oh, I love this car, man. All the parts here are original. The interior is original. That's fabulous. I'm so glad to see it. They couldn't put a standard battery in it. There's no room. Right. So they use that elongated implement battery. So